everyone, we have prepared latest market updates for February 17th, 2023. Mercedes-Benz profits rise on demand for EVs. Mercedes-Benz Group AG reported better than expected fourth quarter earnings thanks to a surge in electric vehicle sales, which helped offset weakness in its financial business caused by higher borrowing costs. In the final 3 months of 2022, the German carmaker's profit before interest and taxes was 5.4 billion euros, up almost a third in the same period last year. The Bloomberg consensus estimate was 4.5 billion euros. Despite the difficult macroeconomic situation and geopolitical concerns, Mercedes-Benz sold 2.04 million passenger cars during the quarter, leading to the division's underlying profit being above expectations. This growth was partly driven by strong demand for electric vehicles, a key element of the company's long-term strategy, with sales up 67%. The group's shares rose in early European trading on Friday. The company added that it will launch a share buyback program worth up to 4 billion euros net of incidental expenses, which will last until the next 2 years. A dividend payout of 5.6 billion euros has been set for 2022. Ethereum will be far from complete after merge. Over the past few years, the Ethereum blockchain has undergone many stages of improvement aimed at making the network more efficient. While enthusiasts eagerly await the next update, market tracker CoinGecko reminded the community of what the Ethereum founders said at the 5th Ether Community Conference in Paris last year. Vitalik Buterin, co-founder of Ethereum, said the Ethereum blockchain will only be 55% complete by the end of merge, the transition to the proof-of-stake protocol, which occurred in September 2022. He said this referring to the argument circulating in the community that Bitcoin is 80% complete. According to official sources, Ethereum's next update, dubbed the Shanghai upgrade, is expected next month. The main feature of the upcoming upgrade will be that funds staked can be withdrawn for the first time. A blockchain researcher nicknamed Westy Capital hinted on Twitter that Ethereum's withdrawal period will be dynamic. Moreover, it will depend on the number of validators leaving the network, unlike other POS networks, where the period is fixed at 21 days. Oil prices slide on fears of a U.S. rate hike. Oil prices lost 2.5% over the week as strong U.S. economic data increased fears that the Federal Reserve would further tighten monetary policy to fight inflation, which could hit fuel demand. Brent crude futures fell 1.13% to $84.18 a barrel on Friday, while West Texas Intermediate WTI U.S. crude futures fell 1.24% to $77.52. Both benchmarks were down more than 2.5% for the week. Data show that the U.S. Producer Price Index (PPI) rose 0.7% in January after declining 0.2% in December. Meanwhile, jobless claims unexpectedly fell to 194,000, down from a forecast of 200,000, according to a Reuters poll. Tina Tan, an analyst at CMC Markets, said the increase in U.S. crude inventories to a 17-month high suggests demand is weakening, pushing prices lower. Oil prices have fluctuated in recent weeks between fears of a U.S. recession amid higher rates to fight inflation and hopes of increased demand in China, the world's biggest oil importer.